cool down.
Yeah, I guess he hates the water, but he needs to cool down.
Yeah.
So he goes in.
Wait, what kind of dog is this?
No, you're gonna stink so bad now.
That's like a,
It's so good.
it's like a cute dog.
It feels so good.
Like it's Beethoven.
Yes, he is.
He looks like Beethoven.
It's too bad I can't trust him off leash.
Yeah, no, you like run away, right?
Yeah,
You don't want
his
to
recall is so
He's
bad.
puppy.
Like,
Yeah.
ooh, Bruno, nasty. Sorry, I'll get him.
No worries.
I'm looking at the sky
Yeah.
and take a picture of it.
I'm sorry. Oh, ew, wet dog.
We went swimming not too long ago. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Hello,
Yeah,
puppy.
then not, you don't.
Yeah.
Okay. You don't care.
No.
That's a nice dog. Look, it's Beethoven.
He's adorable though.
Oh yes.
Yeah, he is. We're very lucky.
What's,
Very lucky.
what's the dog's name?
Bruno.
Bruno. Oh, that's
Yeah, that's a cute name.
a nice dog.
Yeah, my cousin says I didn't try really hard in naming my dog. I'm like, what? Is it supposed to be all like,
Yeah.
Mine's like a Beethoven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
oh, we just love that.
Yeah. He must have. They have dogs too. Must have smaller dogs too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What kind of dogs do you have? Sorry.
That's okay.
One is a Shih Tzu and a Mini John.
Oh, wow.
And then a Havanese and Shih Tzu.
Yep.
Yeah.
Both.
Like little dogs.
Yeah.
They're like little doggies.
They're females.
They're
Puppies.
girls. So like,
Oh, nice. So cute.
yeah.
You have
Yeah.
a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lots of pictures of them. Her. We had before we had this dog. We had two big dogs we had before years ago.
Yeah.
We
Yep.
gave them away. One gone past probably.
Yeah, they have a big dog.
Oh, really? Like a horse?
Yeah. Years ago.
Oh,
And Shih Tzu.
so cute.
Let's see that. Gorgeous.
Yep.
Oh,
So
yeah.
cute.
And then this is her sister.
Adorable.
Oh, yeah. She likes playing the lasers, you know, for the
She's
cat.
like
Like a cat?
Yeah,
Yep. It's so weird.
Yep.
I know.
She's like a little cat.
That is so funny.
Oh, yes.
So strange for a puppy. Although, is it that strange? I don't know. Maybe it is.
I seen a video one time. There's a pug chasing a laser. Also,
There's a video of her. She's just being all cute. She's tinier than her sister.
Yeah.
Aww.
yeah.
Must be
Yeah.
like weighing nothing.
No,
Right?
she's like 4 pounds inside.
Crazy.
She's so tiny.
And he is 120 pounds.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
He doesn't even look. It's all muscle.
Good thing for a protector dog. Protector.
Yeah, he is. He is. Big time. Big time. If I'm home alone, he will be on his guard. He'll be watching me.
Yeah.
I don't know. No. Don't know if this is very good for his paws. But no, don't go there. Come back.
Trying to explore.
Well, he's always exploring. Bruno
Yeah.
explores.
Same with me.
And now he's rolling over there because maybe it's dry.
Yeah. And grass is like a towel.
Like the grass. He's just showing off in front of you guys.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, trying to be giddy and
Yeah.
stuff like that. Yeah.
New people, right?
Yes.
Yeah, gotta show off. Yeah.
Especially for the ladies, you know.
He's a ladies' man. Definitely. Definitely. Bruno, we get it. You're cute. We get it. Yeah. What a nice day to be out.
It is very breezy, but it's really nice.
Yeah. The water's not that cold either.
No, it's super nice.
Yeah.
So this is Zee and Cynthia and Paul.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
I'm Shivani.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Were you here long?
No. We just came now.
Oh,
Yeah.
We were just walking around exploring ourselves. So.
Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah. I thought it would be a good spot to.
Sorry?
That would be good. I think bedroom and everything here.
Oh yeah. You know what? I'll get going. So you have this empty. Bruno, hey, look at you. Sorry. Nothing here. I don't know what I've done.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh.
Putting it on
Oh.
what's happening. No, we're not going back. Sorry.
It's hard to take your spot.
There you go. We're just looking through.
Have a good evening, guys.
You too.
Bye, Bruno.
Bye.
Bye, Brenda.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. That's a nice dog. Yeah. Pull up a picture of Bruno and besides of Beethoven.
Hold on. Bring your stuff over here, Zee.
Another feet dip in the water.
Again.
But not about this time. There you go.
Again.
Hello. That's what we all say about a lot of things. Of grass and that. I'm just waiting for the waves to knock over. Knock over! Oh, from the waves. Izzy?
Yeah?
I was just waiting for the wave to knock her down. Look at that sky.
Yeah, it is.
That's what she says. Hey.
I got pollen. I got pollen.
Hey, man. You want to say hey, girl? Chicken?
Girl.
Interesting.
Come in.
No.
I got cold on it. No, I think I'm good. I think I'll see them there.
Here, I want to take your phone.
What?
Take your phone.
Oh, my phone.
You were knocking in the water. Bye-bye, phone.
I don't know. It doesn't work. Was it better? On the top. Yeah, that's a good idea. Good idea.
Doggy dog. What's up, dog? Oopsies.
What is that going for?
Morning video.
No. Take that off. No, I don't think that's good. No,
Shit.
I'll take it.
And then another one. Seems like it's going to rain later on. Seems it's going to rain. Lovely. I was waiting for that person to get in there. Imagine the person just. Okay. Here. So they just extended this place. This one. Interesting.
Hold on my phone, bud.
Weirdo. Could have brought yourself over here, so I'm going to take it.
No, I'll take it over.
Uh-huh.
Face one side, you bring again. There's something over there. I know. Okay. Do it again, see?
Just imagine what would have happened. Just rain and now thunder. Maybe not.
I'm tired of it left.
You left.
But yeah.
Great.
Exploring. Why does this remind me of the movie Sharks? Deep Blue Sea. Dang. Interesting.
Take a picture of this.
I had it on years ago. Many
I know.
times.
That was like the trend back then.
Yeah,
with the beaver look.
You just kept doing this.
Yeah. That was like the beaver look.
Yeah.
All guys did it.
Or girls.
Hey, Z.
Or girls too, with short hair.
Take a picture of this. Sunglasses too.
Okay.
Take pictures too.
Yeah. Right. Do this.
Weirdo.
Do this. Wait. Wait. Yeah, just like. Wait.
It's just like, what the fuck?
No, the sun's in my eyes. You
Yeah, wait.
meatbag.
What, the sunglasses?
No, I don't wear sunglasses anymore. I don't know why. Just shit happens.
It's our best friend.
It happens.
Ready, bud?
I know my best friend is my TV. That with the text you weird shit.
I know that phone's stupid.
That's what I'll say. Okay. Your phone's confusing. Like, where's the cameras? The sun's shining in my eyes. Not helping.
Yeah.
The flashlight way too
You see
big.
that fountain over there?
Yeah, let's go drink it.
Yeah.
Take a drink it.
Like go inside of it. Like like that. I'll give you shampoo.
Here.
Okay.
Oh.
Take a
Okay.
selfie.
Wait.
Yes, I got it. Sugar. Douche.
Dude.
Whatever.
What?
You know what that reminds me of? The movie. Yeah, next time. It's in over there. Remind me of Deep Blue Sea movie. Oh, that person left. Look, you'd be on the boat, acting like the Titanic.
Yeah, I don't.
You go on the ship, acting like a Titanic. Like,
What? Yeah.
You know my shirt's wet.
That's what she says.
Come on back.
Ooh.
Okay, do it again. Do it again. And then you.
So stretchy.
The sun's in my eyes. Okay. I'm glad
Oh, I
my
got things at your feet. Do it again.
My feet don't matter.
If you don't matter, how was the walk?
Okay, here's your phone.
Oh, weirdo. Weirdo.
Friday, I'm gonna pick her up, but she said 7:30. If I get out of work in time, that'll be alright. I'll wear studded belt, you like a t-shirt. Come take it back Sunday. Feeling I can wait outside. I'll wait
Yeah,
for
it's
the
getting windier.
My hands are sweating now.
Getting windier.
But I feel cool in my favorite t-shirt. She's my ride, kisser. Stopping traffic, but it's alright. If she pulls me closer, I'm gonna pull over and just stare at her all night. So let me just pretend that you're heart is beating fast. The music's faded, but we'll yeah, 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 yeah. We all been down before, and it's all picking up. Turn a frown upside down, never touch it up. You can be yourself and be real, don't gotta cover up every imperfection and flaw. Trying to measure up, 'cause you're so perfect, worth it. Beauty has no limit, it's what's inside. Believe that you can see it, dream it, be it. I really want you to know.
I'll show you
I want
what,
you to know. Don't
fantastic
stop. Start to finish, be authentic, baby. Don't stop. Beauty isn't on the surface, baby. Don't stop. Life is more than being perfect,
Another
baby.
path
Don't
over
stop.
there.
Let's just enjoy the ride and don't stop. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it, don't stop. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it, don't stop. You're more than a moment in time. Picture perfect's not what truly defines the story of our lives. Memories fade on the timeline. No one's really perfect, but we all try. Spending time looking at our reflections.
Hilarious. Do you want to go in the doghouse? Okay.